Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and amazing turkey breast in California chili pot sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and moist turkey breast in this amazing California chili pot sauce, these are the ingredients: California chili pots, apple cider vinegar, mustard, mayonnaise, smoked paprika, salt, garlic powder, margarine, chicken bouillon, black pepper, and of course the star, the turkey breast. This is everything we need to make this delicious and amazing turkey breast covered in this amazing sauce. So let's get started. Of course, first I want to start with the California chili pots. I am going to go ahead, open them, remove all the seeds. This part is very important. We're not using the seeds in this recipe. We are going to go ahead and remove all the seeds of these amazing and delicious chili California pods. And I'm using about 15 of them. Let me tell you, there's many people that don't like turkey, but in my family, I have people that don't like turkey. But when I make this recipe, they all love this turkey recipe, especially the breast. The breast gets so tender, so moist, so delicious, and the flavors of the California chili pots just amazing. Let me show you how I'm going to make this turkey breast in the oven. I have all the California chili pots in here. In my blender, I am going to add 1 cup of hot water and I'm going to let it rest for just a couple minutes so they start getting nice and hydrated. But let me tell you about this amazing recipe. The turkey breast comes out so moist, so tender that you're going to love it. Of course, I have all the rest of the ingredients here. Let me show you. I have the mustard, 1/4 of a cup of mustard, 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 of the apple cider vinegar. This is very important. Let me tell you. And here I have the spices. I'm using 1 teaspoon of each spice, an exception of the salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. Don't forget the smoked paprika. That's really going to give it such a smoky and delicious flavor. Well, here I'm going to start with the apple cider vinegar. I'm going to make sure that I add it into this big bowl and then add the rest of the ingredients one by one. The combination of the mustard, mayonnaise, and the apple cider vinegar, just amazing. I believe that this is what makes the turkey breast so moist and juicy. Because the truth, there are many people that say, I don't like turkey at all. But when you make it like this, the way I'm making it for you guys here, it's because I know that there's many people that don't like turkey. They say that the turkey breast, it's so dry, it's not tender, it's not moist. Well, this is the perfect recipe. You're going to love it. and adding all these spices. Remember that the salt is to taste. In most of my recipes, I don't use too much salt. So the salt is to taste. And now I am ready to incorporate all these delicious and amazing spices into the creamy mustard, mayonnaise, and apple vinegar mixture. Look at this. We're going to incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is incorporated and you don't see none of the spices at all. And with this delicious recipe, there's no need to babysit. Always preheat your oven. I'm adding about half a cup of just hot water. And now I am ready to cover the whole turkey breast with this amazing, creamy spices, just like that. Open just like this. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes so it starts getting nice and golden brown. No need to cover it. Just put it in the oven just like that. Put your timer for 30 minutes and then you will see how delicious your turkey breast is going to come out. Really crispy. And that's exactly how you want it. 30 minutes and then you'll see how delicious this is going to come out. Look at this. Really crispy with all those spices on the top. Now we are ready to start blending the chili pods. Blend it really good. And remember, you need to put it through a sifter. Coat your turkey breast with all these amazing flavors. And when I say amazing flavors, is because when you have the turkey in the oven for those 30 minutes, your home is going to smell divine. You are really going to love it. Always put it through a sifter because you don't want those little pieces of the chili there. Look at this. You don't want that. So once you put it, you add the sauce into it, cover it, cook it for 1 whole hour, and then you're ready to enjoy. Like I said, no need to babysit. And if you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Look how it came out. Believe me when I say that your turkey breast is going to be so moist, so juicy, but yet the top portion, the skin is going to be nice and crispy. Now I am ready to put it in a plate. I'm sorry, but this is still too hot. And I am ready to slice and show you the inside of the turkey. Look how delicious this is. My mouth is watering. I am ready for the presentation and I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this turkey breast. Moist, juicy, delicious. But this is the part I really love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Of course, you could add any type of side dish. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So tender. So juicy. You have to make this amazing recipe. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing turkey breast. See you soon. Bye-bye.